No weapons reloads, and if you don't receive a kill airborne, you will be quite for 5 minutes.
Exercise Red Flag Alaska is a large multinational flying training exercise. We bring together aircraft from different nations and different services, all flying together toward a common mission up in the Joint Pacific Alaska Range complex north of here. Many of the scenarios here in Alaska are based on striking targets, but we also have a large airlift contingent, so we were able to do airdrop and air land. We're integrating with the U.S. Army and bringing them into the scenario as well. And it's also a great opportunity to build partnership amongst the participating nations.
For the 36th Airlift Squadron, this is an incredible opportunity to come into the biggest airlift red flag ever and one of the most international red flags ever. We're up here participating with the British, the Australians, the Kiwis, the Japanese, the Thais. All of us are out working together in 67,000 miles in the best training space in the world, and that's just an amazingly unique experience.
So this is the first time that the Royal New Zealand Air Force has attended Exercise Red Flag. For us, it prepares us for when we do go into areas of operation, into a wartime scenario or a war zone, so that we can interact with each other. And we've met each other before, and we know how each other operates. So it's a pretty awesome exercise for that as well.
Boom! I love it. This guy knows it, man. I love it.
When we're at home doing training, we're training for a specific part of our task. But when we go up here to the J Park, we find out what we really need to work on, what the real risks are. And Red Flag, therefore, is really satisfying its purpose for existence, and that's to simulate the first 10 combat missions that our aircrews would face in a real high-end war and increase their survivability rate. That's why it was invented in the first place, and that's why we're still doing it decades later.